Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 94, The Excellence of Performing the Sunnah Prayers. Hadith number 544, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tahajjud 25-29, Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 104. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I prayed with the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, 2 units before Dhuhr and 2 units before Asr, units after it, 2 units after Jumu'ah, 2 units after Maghrib, and 2 units after Isha. Hadith number 545, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adhan 14, Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 304. Abdullah ibn Mughaffal, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, There is a prayer between the 2 adhans. There is a prayer between the 2 adhans. And then the 3rd time, he said, For whoever wishes it. Hadith number 546, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 96. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, The 2 units of the Fajr prayer are better than this world and everything it contains. In one variant, I love them more than the entire world. Hadith number 547, narrated in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 98. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, recited in the 2 units of the morning prayer. Say, O you unbelievers who obstinately reject faith. Surah Al-Kafirun. And say, He is Allah, who is the unique one of absolute oneness. Hadith number 548, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 121. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, Between the time he finished the Isha prayer until Fajr, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, used to pray 11 units, and he would say the salam after every 2 units and perform the witr with 1. When the muezzin fell silent after calling the Fajr prayer, and the time of Fajr was clear, and the muezzin had come to him, he would do 2 quick units, and then lie down on his right side until the muezzin came to him for the iqama. Hadith number 549, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 105. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, used to pray 4 units in my house before Dhuhr, and then go out and lead the people in prayer. Then he would come in and pray 2 units. He would lead the people in the Maghrib prayer, and then enter and pray 2 units. He would lead the people in the Isha prayer, and then enter my house and pray 2 units. Hadith number 550, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Tatawu 8, Sunan At-Tirmidhi, Salah 201. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, May Allah have mercy on any man who prays 4 units before Asr. Hadith number 551, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin 302. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, In the time of the Messenger of Allah, we used to pray 2 units after sunset before Maghrib. It was said, Did the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, pray them? He said, He used to see us pray them, and he neither commanded nor forbade us. Hadith number 552, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adhan 81. Itisam 3. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin, 213. Zayd ibn Thabit, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, O people, pray in your houses. The best prayer is a man's prayer in his house, except for the obligatory prayer. Hadith number 553, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Salah. 52. Tahajjud. 37. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin. 208. Ibn Omar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Do some of your prayers in your houses and do not make them into graves.